everyone, I'm Miss Phonics. Thank you for joining me today as we explore a new sound. The sound we're going to be learning today is the sound. And the first thing we need to do is learn how to say the sound. If you can, grab a mirror so you can look at your mouth to check you're saying the sound correctly. If you don't have a mirror, then don't worry. You could always ask someone to look at your mouth to see if you're saying it right. Now the sound is a long, stretchy sound. And to make the sound, you curl your tongue back in your mouth and make the sound with your voice. Your lips stay still when you make this sound and you can see your teeth. If you have a mirror, have a look to check your mouth in the correct position. Now you know how to say the sound. Let's practice together. When I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Excellent. Now, let's have a look for some objects that start with the sound. Let's have a look in my magic box and see what we can find that starts with the sound. I found a rabbit. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of rabbit? Say it after me. Rabbit, rabbit. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that starts with the sound. Oh, I found a rock. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of rock? Say it after me. Rock, rock. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that starts with the sound. Oh, I found some ribbon. And this ribbon is red. And they both start with the sound. Let's say the word ribbon. Say it after me. Ribbon, ribbon. Excellent. So ribbon, rabbit and rock all start with the sound. Now we're going to play a little game together. The game we're going to play is called Find the Sound. I'm going to say some words and I want you to listen carefully. Now, if the word starts with the sound, I want you to give me a big thumbs up. But if it doesn't, I want you to give me a thumbs down. Now I need you listening very carefully. So let's make sure those listening ears are turned on. Click. Are we ready? Rat, rat. Does rat start with the sound? Yes, it does. Well done. Next word. Leg, leg. Does leg start with the sound? No, it doesn't. Well done. Next word. Run, run. Does run start with the sound? Yes, it does. You're doing a very good job. Now, before you go, I'm going to give you 2 challenges. Challenge number 1. Every time you walk past a mirror today, I want you to have a go at saying the sound. And I want you to look at your mouth to check you're saying it correctly. And challenge number 2. I want you to have a good look and see what else you can find that starts with the sound. You might see a ring or a radio. Have fun looking. You've worked very hard today and I hope you're feeling proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye!